Hey guys, welcome to my channel. आज हम जा रहे हैं अपनी गाड़ी वॉश करने के लिए एंड फॉर डूइंग दैट इधर यूएसए में दो ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं तुमको कि एक तो रहता है ऑटोमेटिक कार वॉश एंड दूसरा रहता है मैनुअल सेल्फ सर्विस कार वॉश. आई एम गोइंग टू डू सेल्फ सर्विस कार वॉश बिकॉज जब से ये मैंने गाड़ी ली है, बाय द वे दिस इज़ माई कार एंड इट्स ए Honda Accord 2024 and it's a hybrid. Alright, coming back to the car washing topic, we are going to do self-service car wash and basically इसमें रहता है कि you get to rinse your own car, wash it, put foam, then you can use your washing mitts and the towels that you have to scrub it down. Basically it's that simple. Right now हम निकले हैं AutoZone जाने के लिए. AutoZone is basically a place where you get all the stuff related to car and related your automobile, from tires to basically even paint of your car. You can get it over there. तो अभी हम उधर जा रहे हैं to get washing mitts and a microfiber drying towel. So alright, I'll see you at AutoZone. Guys, so we are here at the AutoZone, so let's go inside and check it out. Right behind me is the section to clean your car. So basically, while doing your hand car wash, you only need few things. You need this, which is the microfiber cleaning cloth. So this is best क्योंकि इसमें जो भी dirt रहता है it gets trapped over here, and basically whenever you touch like this, whenever you touch your car, वो जो dirt रहता है gets trapped in it, and then this outer fingers basically cleans your car. Okay, so I will be taking this, and after that what I'll be taking from here is a drying cloth. So specifically इधर लिखा रहता है कि this is drying, एंड बिल करते हैं, मिलते हैं डायरेक्टली वॉशिंग स्टेशन पे. Alright gang, we are here at the car wash and let's step outside and show it to you how it is. Initially अभी this is not same everywhere, but you get 4 to 5 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, 10 to 12 to 15 and so on. So अभी हम करेंगे पहला 4 minutes, and with my Apple Pay I'll be selecting 4 minutes, $4. Do this, card gets selected, and so it was very fun. अभी washing, rinsing हो गया है. Now you need to apply Tri-Foam. So Tri-Foam में क्या होता है कि it's just a foam so that you will be able to cover your car with this stuff. It's just like अभी 1 minute बचा है, then I'll just use my washing mitt to completely scrub the car. Important thing to note here is to wipe it back and forth like this, not in circular motions, उससे swirls आते हैं. 80% of the car has been scrubbed off. The dirt, जो भी dirt है, has been trapped in this right now. So I'm just giving a few more scrubbing. Use कर रहे हैं ये वाला option, wheel cleaner. It's just to basically rinse it with a chemical with low pressure. And उसके बाद अपन करने वाले हैं cleaning of the wheels. This is the new tool that I got right now to clean exclusively the wheels. So ये जो side है would be used like this to go into the smaller area and clean it like this, and inside over here as well, ऐसा. And this side would be used for scrubbing the tire, क्योंकि जो भी तुम्हारा टायर गंदा रहता है would be cleaned by this. अभी आपके पास 1 minute 44 seconds है, and now we'll be going to be using the turbo drive. We have successfully cleaned our car. Abhi we'll be using this microfiber drying towel to basically ये जो बचा हुआ पानी है उसको सुखाने के लिए. मैंने जो लिया है, this is one single towel, and this is the way that you should be drying your car. Again, you have to follow the similar motions of straight motions and not circular motions basically. So what you should be doing is just laying it out on the car like this and pulling it like this. You can see over here on the car, ये जो area है पूरा का पूरा absorb हो गया है, and over here there is still some water. Then you just throw the towel over there like this. So this shows कि ये towel अच्छा है, and we'll be doing the same thing all over the car until we completely dry off the car. We have finally washed our car, and as you can see over here, थोड़ा सा GoPro था मेरा, वो मर चुका है because the battery is not sufficient. अपन ने गाड़ी पूरी की पूरी wipe down कर ली है. As you can see, it's very clean, and पूरा का पूरा पानी has been absorbed by this towel. So that's what the aim was. So as you can see, मैं गाड़ी 2 साल से ऐसे ही धो रहा हूँ, and you will not see a lot of swirl marks, but to maintain this type of thing or maintain your car's paint factory finish, you would have to do this. So let me dry off the entire car again, make sure everything is good. Every side has been cleaned properly, and you can see me as well over here. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is take care of this tire. This is Meguiar's tire shine. It makes your car look nice and presentable. So it's not a very necessary step that you need to do, but एक बार अपन ने अभी टायर ऐसा स्क्रब कर लिया था. So what we do is just shake it a couple of times and apply an even coat all around. So watch me how I do it, and बस आपको बस एक ही coat लगाना है that will last for like a week or 2. So here it goes. So I'll go ahead and do this for every single tire now. We are at the end of the car wash. Most of the time क्या होता है कि when you wipe down your entire car, you miss some spots. For that, I got this blower basically, portable, which has a battery in it. So spots like this, then what you can do is just wipe down with a cloth. But what I would do is just So thank you for watching this video, guys. हमारी कार वॉश फाइनली हो चुकी है and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए
So please subscribe, whatever.